work going on here. I came here to Royal Senchi area, and I'm coming to show you the railway project that the country Ghana is doing. You know, the railway project, they are still working on it, and I'm coming to give you guys update on it so that you guys will know the progress we are making, and you guys will be proud of your country or Africa. Yeah, so that's why I'm here. I'm even tired. You can see how I'm breathing or how I'm talking. That even shows that I'm tired. Yes, so let me show you guys. And I saw something here, so I'm here to come and show you, yeah, how they did that place. You know, it's so beautiful, so I wanted to show you guys. So if you are new here, as always, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share as well. Thank you. So you can also see that this place, they are still on it, they are still working on it, because most of them, they use the stones to cover it. This place, they haven't done that yet. So yeah, they are still working on it, going to the Impaka Dam area, which is so beautiful, you know. I hope you guys like it. The journey from Accra to this place is really long. Yeah, because I have to pick more than plenty cars, you know, stop on the way, pick another car. But it's cool, I love it, you know. Yeah, I really love it. I'm so happy I am here, though it's a little bit late. I'm just praying that I'll be able to film anything that I want to film before getting too much late. Yeah, beautiful. So this is the Gaza, and this is the surrounding. So this place all was mountain, but they dig in between the mountain all the way going. This is so beautiful. I'm glad I'm here, you know. I'm so glad, you know. Ghana is really doing well. So this is my first time coming to this particular project here. Yeah, so I just see the thing here in between, and I decided to follow it. So I followed it to the end before I discover where they are still working, where they are doing the bridges and other stuff, which you are going to see in the video. Yeah. So we are heading all the way to where they have reached, and the work that they are doing there as at now, you guys are going to see in the video as well. Thank you.